Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to the channel. My name's Rick. And what I'm going to show you today is something I've been cooking for more than 30 years. We're going to make chicken, ginger and spring onions. A quick, easy Chinese takeaway meal at home. Now obviously we don't have a high burner, we're going to cook at home. So what we have then, we have about 1/4 of a large onion, some ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, some spring onions, half a small chicken breast, which is probably too much. Okay guys, what we'll do, we'll start off with the spring onions first, and we need to slice them into about 2 centimeter pieces. Just put them to one side, and then we need to cube our onion. Just cube it up, put it to one side, and then we need to mince our garlic. So our 3 cloves of garlic, just give them a little bang on the top and then mince them up. Be careful of your fingers as usual, we're using a knife. And then we're going to do the same procedure with our ginger. We're just going to give it a little bash on the top, and then we're going to mince the ginger as well. What we need to do then is actually slice our chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. And then what we're going to do is coat them in a cornstarch chicken powder coating. Just turn them all over in there, coat them all up, and this actually helps when we're cooking. It obviously going to give a little bit of flavour in there. But what happens with the cornstarch is it seals in the chicken, so when you blanch it in your boiling water, the chicken doesn't have that dryness to it. It has a nice mouthfeel when you eat this in your finished dish. So blanch your chicken, take your chicken out, and then we want the usual couple of tablespoons of oil in a wok, pan on high, in with the garlic, give it a stir around. Now don't forget we're cooking at home, so we don't want to overcrowd this pan all at one go. So cook the garlic round, nice aroma, not too much colour, and then in with the onions. Just cook the onions for 30 seconds and then in with our chicken. Stir it round, don't forget the chicken's already cooked, so in with some dark soy sauce. Stir it round to coat. A little splash of SHAOXING wine. A little shake of white pepper, pinch of salt, a splash of oyster sauce. Give it all a stir around, we don't want to stick on the bottom of the pan. Like to coat the chicken and all the veggies. A little sprinkling of sesame oil. And we need to add our green onions. Stir them all through. And then we'll add a splash of water. Now this is going to give us a nice little sauce in the bottom. This will start to thicken straight away with the cornstarch that's already on the chicken. So you could actually have a little thickened sauce straight away that you could actually serve up, but we're going to add another tablespoon of cornstarch slurry to thicken up and have a nice little thick sauce to go with our chicken spring onions and ginger. And that's it, guys. Stir it round, thicken it up a little bit, and that's it done. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, please like and subscribe, and if you can, share. Until next time, take care. There we are, guys. Chicken, ginger spring onions. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.